Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCI 125PS 330 Trend needs clutch, still runs great. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 155,191. MOT, the 6th of November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. This will need to clutch replacing as the pedal is on the floor. It has a hydraulic leak, straightforward simple repair. The engine and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,995 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0